Assalamu alaikum to you all. Today we are going to do last topic of angle. After that, our topic angle will have been completed. Okay. So everyone, kindly open page number 17. Kindly open page number 17, and you must take out your D as well as pencil eraser. Now I am teaching you how to draw angle. Yes, Kabir, what happened? Yes, Kabir, tell me what happened.
Miss had done the work.
No,
I
I
thought
didn't give you. No, I
Miss
didn't
I
give
thought
you.
Miss I thought
Okay,
that
okay.
this
If
was
you done
homework.
it, okay, listen. If you did it, so don't worry. Today you have to repeat this topic again. If you know how to draw angle, that is good. But today we are going to do right now. Okay. So सबसे पहले तो हम बेटा और are you ready? Please give me thumbs up if you are ready. Please give me thumbs up. ओके 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 चलिए अब जैसे जैसे मिस इकरा करेंगी वैसे वैसे आप लोगों ने करना है तो हम ये वाली साइड जो है ना ये हम नहीं करेंगे सही या आपको स्मॉल एंगल्स नजर आ रहे हैं बेटा ये वाले ये हम नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि इट्स टू स्मॉल ओके you will face difficulties while measuring this angle so we will leave this okay now come over here we are drawing angle 45 degree okay first of all draw a line look over here miss ikra is also drawing straight lines sorry due to mobile my lines correct again I am making line wait
Where is eraser?
so look over kindly everyone please draw so this is your point A look over there and this is your point B so I am writing A I am writing B this is basically ray fine everyone look at your screen beta afterwards Miss Ikra explained that you have to use center point of D and you have to place this center point of D at your ray at your point A. Look over here. आपने देखा मिस इकरा ने डी का सेंटर पॉइंट अपनी रे के पॉइंट ए के ऊपर रख दिया सब बच्चे इस तरह रखिए प्लेस करें सब बच्चे इस तरह डी अपना जिस तरह मिस इकरा ने किया है Kabir, are you doing? Okay, you already did. Yeah, I remembered. Afterwards, in question number 1, the requirement is to draw 45 degree. So let's find 45 degree. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There is no 45. Kindly tell me where it is. Let's find 45. I told you between 40 and 50 there is 45 after 40. Kindly count forward counting. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Between 40 and 50 there is 45. Got it? Now place the dot over 45. आप लोग एक डॉट लगाएंगे एग्जैक्टली 45 के पास. लुक ओवर देयर स्टूडेंट्स. आपको डॉट नजर आ रहा है? शेक योर हेड. लुक. हैव यू सीन? 45 के पास टीचर ने डॉट लगा दिया. जल्दी से सब लगाइए. फिर उसके बाद हम इस डॉट को पॉइंट ए के साथ मर्ज कर देंगे. Everyone look at your screen. Look, this is 45 dot and this is main point of A. So we have to connect this point with this point. Look how Miss Ikra is connecting these 2 points. Look, are you watching, beta? Are you watching? Okay, now we are connecting these 2 points. Perfectly match. Got it? So this is your ray 2. Look over there, everyone. Afterwards, we make curve over there. How many degree? Wait, Hassan. How many degree we have to measure? 45 degrees. So this is 45 degree angle. So this is point A. B. So this is C. लिसन बच्चों, आप अल्फाबेट्स को चेंज भी कर सकते हैं. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं E, F, G, X, Y, Z. Any alphabet you can use. Got it? So we have drawn 45 degree angle. Yes. Oh, that's nice. After making, kindly recheck. Have you made correctly or wrong? So look over there. So look over there, Miss Ikra's angle. It is perfectly 45 degree. Kindly recheck. Hello, Sabika. Kindly recheck, everyone. If you have made correctly, so kindly give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Okay. Okay, Kanza, very good. Aras, I'm very impressive with you, Aras. Dua Khan, kindly turn on your camera. Abdullah Alvi, turn on your camera right now. Hassan Ahmad, turn on your camera. Abdullah Alvi, very good. So 45 degree we have drawn. So now we are moving towards 120 degree. Okay. First of all, again we have to draw line first. So I am making my line. So kindly you have to make your line. So this is my line. I am placing point A and this is B. So this line is called race. Done. Now I am placing my D at point A. Must remember we have to use center point of D. So this is my D. This is the center point of D. Okay. So now I am placing my center point on point A. Are you watching, everyone? Good. Now we are finding 120. Remember, Zayanuddin, wait. I am reading. I am reading your text. Kindly wait. Okay, बच्चों. Must remember we have to use lowercase number 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, 110, 120. But remember 120 आपको two places में नजर आ रहा है. Look at your screen, everyone. Look at your screen, everyone. This is 120 and this is 120. I told you when you will make angle at point A, so you have to use lower case number. आपने नीचे वाला number use करना है. So I found 120 over here. Okay. Now I am placing a dot at 120. Look, everyone. My center point of D is on point A and I found 120 degrees, so I placed dot over there. Got it? Everyone? Got it? Now we are going to connect these 2 points with each other. Hassan Ahmed, what's the problem, beta? Again and again you are turning off your camera. Please turn on. Abdullah Alvi, where are you? I didn't see you. Kindly use your front camera. So now we are connecting these 2 points with each other. Zayanuddin, wait. First of all, don't worry about your GK working. Kindly pay attention on your maths class right now. So now we are connecting this point with this point. So Miss Ikra successfully connected these points. So make a curve over there. We have drawn 120 of angle, and this is your ray C. Got it, everyone? Okay, Sabika. Good job. Oh, that's great. Sabika, well done. Jafar, clearly, beta. Okay, that's good. सैयद अली रजा नजर नहीं आ रहा बेटा. Kabir, kindly show your worksheet. You told me you did it, so kindly show me. Okay, Kabir. Okay. Okay. After making, yes, Jafar, wait. Yes, Jafar.
Teacher, my angles are right.
बेटा यहाँ से मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कि it is correct or wrong because I am unable to measure your angles. Okay. So when I receive your worksheet, then I will tell you.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now everyone kindly make 20 of angle by yourself. Kindly do this question by yourself. I am watching you. Yes, Hassan, what happened, beta? Wait. Hassan, मुझे आपका name, okay, I found. Yes, Hassan, tell me what happened.
Teacher, tell me 120 degree. 120 degree.
You have done 120 degree. So you can draw it ना. देखो मिस इकरा ने भी draw कर लिया और भी बच्चे draw कर रहे हैं. Kindly draw 120 degree and afterwards you have to draw 20 degree. Got it? Do it and show me. Very good, Kanza. Yes, Jafar. If you done question number 3, just give me thumbs up. Okay, Mariam, good job. Zayanuddin, do you want to ask something, Zayanuddin? If yes, so shake your head. Okay. Yes, tell me, Zayan.
Sorry, teacher, I'm interrupting
Yes.
and listening not your class, but teacher.
I know you are worried about your GK quiz. So don't worry, now I will give you review. Just pay attention on your maths blog right now. Yes, Jafar,
Okay,
wait. Okay?
Okay.
बेटा इतने वरी क्यों हो? वरी मत हो. आप हमारे साथ हो, हम आपको वरी करने के लिए नहीं है यहाँ पर. Enjoy करिए. Learning with fun, okay? आप मिस इकरा के साथ हैं तो आपको एंजॉय करना पड़ेगा पढ़ाई के साथ साथ. यही हमारी स्ट्रेटेजी होगी. ओके ओके जाफर, वेट. गुड बॉय. यस जाफर. बोलिए बेटा, व्हाट आर यू सेइंग?
Teacher, is GK test?
Yeah. Oh, okay. I think you didn't know. Yes, Hassan Ahmad. Hassan Ahmad, tell me what happened, Hassan Ahmad.
Teacher, I can't do 20 degree.
You have done 20 degree?
No,
Or
I
you
can't do it.
Okay, let me explain. Look at your screen. Okay, Hassan Ahmad, look at your screen.
Yes, I am.
Okay, किस्सा कबीर कबीर मेरे प्यारे से बच्चे शरारतें मत दिखाइए अभी वर्चुअल टीचिंग है ना चलिए 120 डिग्री हसन अहमद मैं आपके लिए एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ look at your screen beta very carefully first of all we have to draw line beta after 10 minutes zoom meeting will be ended so rejoin me got it now first of all Hassan Ahmad we have to draw ray look over Hassan Ahmad where are you beta
Yes, teacher.
okay this is your ray this is your point E हम इन्हें कुछ भी नाम दे सकते हैं U कह सकते हैं F भी कह सकते हैं सही है E and F अब आप अपना D का सेंटर पॉइंट E के ऊपर रखिएगा देखें Are you watching?
क्लास चल रही है नहीं
Hassan Ahmad, are you watching?
यस टीचर
Okay. अब हम फाइंड करेंगे 20 अब हम फाइंड करेंगे 20 लोअर केस नंबर आप यूज करोगे 0 10 it's 20 we found 20 Hassan Ahmad now you have to place dot at 20 got it
यस टीचर
look over here Hassan
यस
okay now we are going to connect these 2 points how to connect look over there like that now we have connected these points so you can say this ray G सही है E F G so we have used 20 degree got it Hassan Ahmad
यस टीचर
okay बच्चों एक आखिरी चीज आज हम एंगल की डन कर रहे हैं उसके बाद हमारा एंगल टॉपिक फिनिश हो जाएगा फिर हम कल से इंशाल्लाह न्यू टॉपिक मैथ्स का स्टार्ट करेंगे सही है जल्दी से यहाँ पर देखिए मेरी तरफ everyone puts down your pencil as well as keep aside your worksheet file and look at your teacher via screen look at me Sikra right now everyone please watch me okay Inaya kindly watch me look over there बच्चों अब ये जो हमने एंगल ड्रॉ करे हैं ना इसे हम मैथ की लैंग्वेज में ज्योमेट्री की लैंग्वेज में किस तरह प्रेजेंट करते हैं दिस इज अ सिंबल ऑफ एंगल दिस इज अ सिंबल ऑफ एंगल हर एक चीज का सिंबल होता है ना तो दिस इज अ सिंबल ऑफ एंगल वी हैव ड्रॉन BAC we have drawn BAC okay BAC जो हमारा मेन पॉइंट होता है वो सेंटर में आता है गॉट इट? अब यहाँ देखिए, सब मेरी तरफ आइए, ये लास्ट रिव्यू है एंगल का। मरियम लुक एट योर स्क्रीन। व्हाट इज दिस? मरियम, मरियम, व्हाट इज दिस? Okay, circle. I read your lips. Look over there, everyone. This is circle. So I would like to discuss you how many degrees circle take. So every circle take, every circle takes 360 degree. तो अगर आपसे कोई पूछेगा कि सर्कल की डिग्री बताइए, तो आप लोग बेटा क्या बताएंगे कि सर्कल्स 360 डिग्री टेक करता है। सही है। अब मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी व्हाट इज इट? व्हाट इज इट? मरियम, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग बेटा? ट्रायंगल। ओके, सबिका, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? Okay, it's triangle. So how many degrees triangle have? 180 degree. Remember this. Maybe I will give you in quiz. Circle has 360 degree. Look at your screen, everyone. Triangle has 180 degree. Got it? Abdullah Alvi, would you like to turn on your camera, please? Thank you so much, Abdullah. Now, students, I am sharing a screen with you. Kindly watch very carefully. This is the last one picture which I am discussing with you. Maybe within few minutes, our meeting will be ended. You have to rejoin me. Got it? Okay, fine. Yesterday, we had discussed about the application of angles in our daily life. Now we have discussed about pizza as well as open mouth of alligator. We discussed about the pencil as well as we discussed pyramid. Okay. Now we are discussing this huge house. How architects use angle we are finding. Okay. Look at your screen. Jafar, wait. Let me explain first. Just look at your screen. Everyone, please look at your screen. Everyone, please look at your screen. I am highlighting angle. So I will send this picture to you through university and you will also find more angle. Okay. Look over here. First one. Second one. Third one. Okay. क्या मिस इकरा ने ये एंगल सही मेजर किए बेटा? क्या मिस इकरा ने हाईलाइट बिल्कुल सही किया है? एंगल्स लग रहे हैं ये लोग? जितनी भी चीजें मिस इकरा ने हाईलाइट की हैं, क्या ये एंगल आपको लग रही हैं? ये देखें, look over there. Look over there again. Look at the stairs. So these all are angles or not? देखें आर्किटेक्चर ने यहाँ पर which type of angle the architect has been used. Who want to give me answer? Sabika, would you like to tell me? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, Sabika. Wait. Tell me,